My name is John Snediger. I'm the clinical director here at LaSara Medical Group in Los Angeles and Orange County. And we treat patients ranging in age from mid-20s all the way up to even in the early 90s. In today's video, you're going to hear from one of our younger patients his name is Skylar. He's only 28 years old, and he wasn't exactly experiencing erectile dysfunction, but he wanted to have better performance in his sexual abilities. And after doing our shockwave therapy, you'll hear from him that he's been able to have a much firmer erection. He says the blood flow into his penis is far greater than it was before, and his ability to have sex multiple times in one setting is a lot easier for him.
My name is Skylar. I'm 28 years old. So before doing shockwave therapy, I thought I was totally fine. I mean, I'm 28 years old, right? So, my relationship with my girlfriend was fine. Our sex life was fine. And I came in and did the treatment, and I was totally surprised because I guess over a period of time, you don't really realize that you might be, degrading in, areas. So as a 28-year-old, I don't have a lot of discretionary income to spend on things like ED treatment. That's probably the last thing that I would even think about. But to be honest with you, after going through the treatment, for the price, it's completely worth it, especially with how many treatments you get and the science behind it. After it was explained to me on how it works, 100% recommend it. I can tell you that I've only done 2 treatments now. Only after the first treatment, I could feel a huge difference, and I noticed just visibly, and my girlfriend noticed as well, a huge difference. So for guys that are, in their 20s or 30s, erectile dysfunction is not something that ever really crosses our minds. Like, we're fine, we don't have issues, right? But when you're out there, dating in the dating scene, you want, every edge you can possibly have. And I can tell you that, most guys, I would assume after doing this treatment, are probably around 80–90% of their potential. And if you could have an extra 15–20% leg up on all the other guys out there, I could say that this is definitely something that would be super helpful. And in the past, I've taken different supplements and things like that a friend recommended, and pills or whatever it is, and just to try it, and that worked. But I know there's a lot of side effects with that, and the more you take things like that, I've heard that you can have problems and issues later in your life. So that's not something that I would ever be interested in. But when I was told that there was like a natural way that you can improve your performance, and it's something that is actually going to work and be sustainable long term, and it's not going to hurt you or have any issues in the future, then that's something I was interested in. And so I said, okay, let's try it, and I saw a huge difference just in only a week after I took it. So honestly, I'm super excited to see what kind of results can come for this, because I'm not even through the entire protocol. I've only been through a few sessions, and I'm already seeing a huge amount of results. So I can only imagine, okay, after I go through the whole entire program within a few months, what the results are going to be if I'm already getting results this good. So listen, if you're a younger guy like me, 20s, 30s, and even if you don't think that you have any issues at all like I did, this is something that could seriously help your performance. I wouldn't be doing this testimonial if it didn't help me, and it really helps. So I highly encourage you check it out. The treatment itself was not painful at all. I walked in there, had a great experience. I thought it might be kind of awkward going in there and meeting some people and doing the treatment, but I felt like honestly was walking into a friend's house. Everyone was super great. It was mellow, no issues, and I highly recommend it.
There you have it. LaSara Medical Group's Focused Shockwave Therapy is not only a tool for treating erectile dysfunction, but also providing more performance. And if you too are interested in having better performance, then please reach out to us directly or visit our website, and we'd be happy to bring you on as another successfully treated patient.